Okay. First package declaration, then import statement, then class, then member variables declaration, then methods. Like this, we should write code in a particular structure or not. Can I place package import statement in the middle of the class definition? Can I declare package in the middle of the method definition? When I ask a question, please keep the habit of responding in the chat box. Your answers are my fuel. Your answers are my energy. Use the chat box to reply answers. Can I place package import statements in the middle of the class definition? No. Can I declare package in the middle of the method definition? No. There is a structure to follow or not? It provides compiler or interpreter to check the syntaxes and semantics of the program. Okay. The syntaxes and semantics of the programming. Syntax means rules ra babu. Semantics means structure. Okay. Semantics is what? Structure. Are you understanding my statement? Okay. Next. Programming languages are ways to create software technologies, frameworks, tools, operating systems, right? Everything, for everything, programming languages are based or not? Database softwares and etc. Okay, you take C language. Linux operating system is created based on what, guys? C language, right? Windows operating system is created based on what? VC++, right, boss? Are you with me? Okay, Oracle database software is created initially using C language. Now it is based on Java. Okay, Android mobile operating system is there. It is a combination of C++ and Java. Upper layer Java, internally C++. Upper layer Java, internally C++. iOS is there, na? iPhone OS is created on the top of Pro C language. Enhancement of C language, that is Pro C language. Understanding my statement? Okay. IDEs, Eclipse IDE is also created by using Java only. Different IDEs are created using different languages. They are based to create technologies, frameworks, tools, operating systems, database softwares, and etc. Guys, am I audible to you people? If my voice is low, okay, screen is not coming, check your network bandwidth. Because I have a great net connectivity here. Okay, my net speed is 110 Mbps, right? My net speed is what? 110 Mbps. To conduct this class, 5-6 MB is more than sufficient. 5-6 MB is more than sufficient. Okay, still if you are getting problem towards attending class, check your network bandwidth. Understanding my statement? Especially the people who are attending classes by using JioSIM mobile data. Those people, if possible, try to go for net connectivity, Wi-Fi connectivity. And stop attending classes from mobiles. If possible, start attending classes from laptops. It would be always good. And to start moving to Wi-Fi connectivity for better video, for better audio, for continuous bandwidth. Got it? Okay, my volume is for 100% ra babu. Okay. Right. Shall I go back to the subject? So tell me, what are the examples for programming languages, guys? C, C++. Babu is nothing but calling a person. Okay. C++, Java. Okay. If you have any personal questions, please wait till end of the session. I will take each student all personal questions. Right now, please use the chat box only for current topic related discussions. If I get any other question, someone is asking when my advanced Java course starts. This kind of questions will be ignored now. Please wait till the end of the session. There I will take every question and every answer will be given. So right now, please use chat box only for current topic discussions and to answer my questions. C++, Java, even HTML is also programming language. SQL is a programming language and etc. Okay. And etc. Now listen. Okay. Nowadays, we are getting lots of JVM based languages. Okay. SQL is also language, Rababu. That is also programming language. Yes, HTML is also language. It's not like that. All these are languages, right? Okay, guys. Tell me. Nowadays, we are getting lots of JVM based languages, Rababu. Array, PL SQL, programming language by using SQL, na? Come on, guys. Using that. Okay. If you are having that much problem, leave it. But all these are languages. These are what? Languages. These are software languages. Yeah, even Python is also scripting language, right? But it is not directly language, boss. It is built on the top of something else. That's why it is not called programming language. It is called what? Scripting language, right? Because it cannot execute on its own directly, right, boss? That's why Python falls under scripting language. Python is scripting language. Okay, because it runs on the top of other languages. Okay. Other languages like what? Java, C++, okay, C#, and etc. Everyone getting my point? Okay, if you are not ready to accept SQL, leave it, Rabo. Why are you bothered about that? But we can call them also. HTML is also language. Hypertext markup language, SQL, structured query language. Are you getting my point? Okay, you want specific direct words and etc. Clear? Fine. But Python, we cannot call it as a programming language. On the top of other languages like Java, C++, C#. That's why Python is not a programming language. Python is a scripting language. That's the reason Python is getting a lot of performance issues nowadays. Because it is not executing on its own directly. Nowadays, we are getting lots of JVM-based languages, Rabbi. Can we understand what are JVM-based languages, guys? Okay. What do you mean by JVM-based languages? All of them will give dot class file having bytecode. All of them will give dot class file having bytecode. And those dot class files can be executed by using JVM. Language is different, syntax is different, compiler is different, but they generate dot class file, which is compatible with JVM. Right? What they are, guys? Java is JVM based, Scala is JVM based. Okay, Kotlin is there. Kotlin is JVM based, Ruby is JVM based, Groovy is JVM based, and etc. and etc. Right, boss? Yeah, what they will do. Java is there, guys. When you compile, what you will get? Dot class. Scala is there. When you compile, what you will get? Dot class. Okay. Dot Ruby, let us assume. When you compile, what you will get? Dot class. Next, Groovy is there. Dot Groovy. When you compile, what you will get? Dot class. Okay. Here compiler. Everywhere we use compiler. For Java, Java compiler. For Scala, Scala compiler. Okay. Groovy, Groovy compiler. Understanding my point? Okay. All these dot class files can be executed by using single J. Can be executed by using single JVM. Even Kotlin also was. Kotlin also same. Dot Kotlin. When you compile, you will get dot class file. Here is my compile. Yes, even this one. Even this one goes to this. Here is my what? JVM Rababu. Java Virtual Machine. Java Virtual Machine. Java Virtual Machine. Here you will get the execution. Program execution. Program execution. Got it, guys? This is the reason these are called JVM based languages. Can I say one thing? If you observe very carefully, from Java 8 onwards, for every 2-3 months, they are giving new version of Java. Did you notice it? To release 8 versions of Java, Sun Microsystem or Oracle Corporation has taken nearly 8-9 years. But from Java 8 to Java 17, they hardly taken 4-5 years. Sometimes, okay, generally for every 6 months, new version of Java is coming. Sometimes you don't believe. Okay, back-to-back releases also happening. Okay, I think Java 16, Java 17, much gap is not there. Okay, certain releases happened within 2-3 months also. About why it is doing? Array, this is Scala, Ruby, Groovy, Kotlin, and other JVM based languages are coming with new features. Okay, Java people, Oracle Corporation people, inspiring from those features, and they started adding those features to Java. In that process, they are forced to go for new releases. They are forced to go for what? New releases. Lot of competition is coming from other JVM based languages. But don't worry, as of now, Java is up to date, Babu. Java is having its own feature, and it is also having what? Other features that are there in other JVM based languages. That's why you need not to learn Scala, Ruby, Groovy, Kotlin separately. You learn Java, indirectly you are learning all the features of other JVM based languages. Okay, I'll tell one small example, Babu. Java 8 features are very popular, especially in that one. Lambda expression based programming is very popular, guys. Lambda expression based programming, Babu. Functional programming, which is nothing but Lambda expression based programming. Okay, let me say one thing. That feature originally is not given by Java people. Originally, that feature is given by Scala. Okay. Right. Okay. That feature is originally given by Scala. Okay. Right. But Oracle Corporation inspired from what? Scala, and they brought that feature and added to Java. They brought that feature and simply added to Java. Convinced, my dear? Got the clarity, boss? Like this, many features are added, Rabo. Many features are added. Okay, guys. Programming languages are like raw materials. Software raw materials. Raw materials. Providing basic features of application development. Okay. These are like rice, wheat granules. And if you want to make rice granules or wheat granule, which are there in its raw form, to make them eatable, lot of processes there are not. Think about making wheat granules eatable, boss. Lot of processes there are not there. Even rice granules, from paddy fields you got the rice. Okay, to make them eatable, lot of processes involved are not. Such kind of raw materials. Programming languages also such kind of raw materials. I hope everyone has got clarity on programming languages, guys. Right. Shall we move to technologies? Software technologies. After today's class, you should not have any confusion on what is programming language, what is technology, what is framework. Java learning is all about these three things. You may learn a number of courses in Java. 4 courses, 3 courses, 10 courses in Java. But at the end, you are going to learn these three things. Java language, Java technologies, Java frameworks. Core Java deals with Java language learning. Advanced Java deals with Java technologies learning. Spring Boot, Hibernate, JSF, all these, either you learn as a single course or multiple courses. Okay, they are going to deal with frameworks learning. Sir, I found nowadays industry is running after frameworks. I will learn Spring directly, sir. I will learn Spring Boot directly, sir. Not possible. Not possible. Frameworks are built on the top of technologies. To learn frameworks, you need to have technologies knowledge. Okay. Technologies are built on the top of languages. So to learn technologies, you need to have knowledge of languages. Can you sit in 10th standard directly? Can you sit in engineering final year directly, boss? No, na. So there is a process to complete, right? Pre-primary, primary, yes or no, na? Primary, then +2, then +4. Like this, there is a process to learn courses, right? There is an order to follow above. Same thing here also. In core Java, you learn Java language. In advanced Java, you will learn Java technologies. In Spring Boot, Hibernate kind of courses, you will be learning frameworks. But if you have a time constraint, okay. Right, guys. Okay, you can learn language and technologies parallelly. That means core Java course, advanced Java course parallelly. And you can learn advanced Java and frameworks parallelly. If you want, you can learn all the three things parallelly. Core Java, advanced Java, frameworks. You can learn core Java framework parallelly, core Java, advanced Java parallelly, or you can learn all the three things parallelly. But this parallel process you should start only after completing OOPS and exception handling topics in core Java. Without that, don't take that risk. Because core Java, OOPS and exception handling is quite minimum in order to start your what? Advanced Java and frameworks. Right. Let's see, guys. These are software specifications. These are software specifications providing rules and guidelines rules and guidelines in the form of APIs. In the form of APIs. Okay. In the form of APIs to create implementation softwares. To create implementation softwares. These are software specification providing rules and guidelines in the form of what? APIs. Okay, to create implementation softwares. Okay, please wait. I will give clear-cut explanation on it. Okay. Software technologies are not installable. Not installable. But software technologies base implementation softwares are installable. Working with these implementation softwares. Okay, understanding my statement? Working with these implementation softwares is nothing. Working with the software technology. Working with the software tech. Right, boss? Guys, those who are dealing with Jio mobile data, please make sure that you are in a correct place. Please make sure that you are in correct place and network is coming continuously. Check your network bandwidth. Guys, am I visible? Am I audible? My screen content is coming properly. Stop attending classes from mobiles. Stop using mobile data to attend the classes. It's my humble request to everyone. Please make sure that you are in right place. Network bandwidth is continuously good. Super, guys. Okay. Working with these implementation softwares, nothing but working with what? Software technologies. Software technologies. Okay. Those are facing problems. First, check your mobile data. Check your network bandwidth. Problem is not there from my side. Just now I have shown my network bandwidth is more than 100 Mbps, right? Okay. Everyone, please come back to the subject. Okay, I'll take one small example, Rabab. JDBC is a software technologies that provides rules and guidelines in the form of JDBC API to create JDBC driver software. To create JDBC driver software. Arranging JDBC driver software and working with JDBC driver software is nothing but, come on, working with JDBC technology. Indirectly nothing but working with JDBC technology. I'll take one real life example, Rabab. Java course browser. Java course browser contains topic names now. Topic 1, topic 2, topic 3. That is like software technology. Faculty takes that course browser, make himself ready to conduct the classes. Make himself ready to conduct the classes. Come on. Say something, my dear. Yeah. This faculty is like implementation software. Faculty is like implementation software. Now you are a student who want to attend the classes. You will think about arranging course brochure or faculty, Rabab. You will think about arranging course brochure or faculty. Faculty. Okay. Going to faculty, attending faculty classes, getting subject from faculty. Indirectly, you are spending time with course brochure or not. Indirectly, you are spending time with the course brochure or not. After all, faculty is conducting classes according to what? Course brochure. Understanding my statement? Okay, now tell me guys. JDBC technology is like Java course brochure. JDBC driver software is like faculty. Okay, student is like programmer. Okay, student wants to learn the course. He will show interest of arranging course brochure or he will show interest of arranging faculty. Respond, everyone, respond. He will show interest of arranging course brochure or he will show interest of arranging faculty. Okay, definitely faculty. Moreover, spending time with faculty, attending classes of faculty, indirectly utilizing course brochure or not. After all, faculty also conduct the classes according to course brochure. What do you say, guys? Okay. Now listen. We have a programmer. We have a programmer. Programmer wants to work with the technology. Programmer arranges technology or technology-based implementation software. Programmer should arrange technology or technology-based implementation software. Implementation software. Arranging technology-based implementation software and working with that is nothing but working with what? Technology indirectly or not. After all, technology-based implementation software is created based on technology supplied rules and guidelines or not. Technology supplied rules and guidelines or not. Are you listening my statement, guys? Okay, final conclusion, boss. Okay. Example. JDBC technology use. Okay. Rules and guidelines. In the form of JDBC API. JDBC API means java.sql, javax.sql packages. Understanding my point? Packages. API. In the to create JDBC driver software for different database. That's the point. Okay. Arranging JDBC driver softwares and working with them is nothing but working with the JavaX means extendable package. Working with the JDBC technology. Arranging JDBC driver software and working with them is nothing but working with the JDBC technology or not, boss? Are you understanding my statement, guys? Okay. Sir, you said these rules and guidelines comes in the form of JDBC API. Shall we understand what is API for a minute? API, application programming interface, right? Application programming interface. I capital, P capital, is A capital. Application programming interface. Okay. Here the word interface is nowhere related to Java interface. It is used having the meaning of platform-based kind of thing. Platform-based foundation kind of thing. Understanding my point? Application programming interface. It is based on platform or foundation for Foundation for programmers to develop software applications using languages, technologies, and frameworks. Okay, guys. In C language, API comes in the form of header files having set of functions. In C++ language, API comes in the form of what? Header files having set of functions, classes. Come on, guys, same na. In Java language, API comes in the form of packages. What, guys? Packages having set of. Tell me, Java contains what, my dear? Classes, interfaces, enums, annotations. You know one thing, interface is internally class. Annotation is internally interface. Enum is internally class. Overall, everything is class only, na boss? Overall, everything is class, right, boss? Overall, everything is class. What do you say, boss? Right, guys? Okay. Example Java APIs. Tell me. JDBC API. Java.SQL, JavaX.SQL, and their subpackages. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay. Servlet API. JavaX.servlet and its subpackages. Okay. Nowadays, JavaX is replaced with the Jakarta. Not everywhere, only in few places. Right? Okay. Right, boss. Right. Next, utility API. So many APIs are there. Right? Java.util and its subpackages. Next, okay, IO API, IO Streams API. A lot of APIs are there in Java. Java.io and its subpackages. What the clarity, guys? Like this, lot of APIs are there or not there? Lot of APIs are there or not there? Super, guys. Okay. Listen, guys. Some people are saying that I don't have laptop. I will attend classes from mobile. You can attend. But what about practicals? So please switch to laptops. Because if you want to become software engineer, only listening class is not sufficient. There is a process called practicals. I develop applications and I give assignments. In order to work with those assignments, in order to complete those assignments, definitely laptop need is required or desktop need is required. So please stop cheating yourself saying that I don't have laptop, I don't have desktop, I have only mobile, still I want to become software engineer. That is not going to happen. So please attend classes from laptop or desktop, and please use Wi-Fi connection while attending classes. Your mobile data is sufficient, but it won't provide continuous bandwidth. Consistency will not be there in the bandwidth. That's why my suggestion is, okay, please have proper environment while attending online classes. Clear, guys? Got the clarity? So example Java APIs. These are example Java APIs or not? Okay. Don't worry. I will be providing these notes in 3 forms. Number 1, Facebook, initial days. Google Classroom, applications, notes, everything through GitHub. Total 3 forms you will get the notes. Everything what I use here will be with you in different forms. Okay, right now I will be giving entire notes. I will be sharing entire material through Facebook. Okay, once batch is confirmed, Babu, I will start creating Google Classroom. There also I will share. There also I will share. Understanding my statement? Okay. Array, you won't get these notes from market. You have to collect from the classrooms. I think you got the clarity, guys. Okay, now listen, guys. Okay, if you don't have FB, wait, create a new account or wait until I launch Google Classroom. Google Classroom, or we have a Procure application. Okay, software technologies are semi-finished products. What is meant by semi-finished products, Raghav? At the end of the class, I will do all my Facebook details. Wait. Software technologies are like semi-finished products. What do you mean? Semi-finished product. That means they give 30 to 40% implementation. And programmer needs to develop the remaining implementation. Programmer needs to develop the remaining implementation. They are what? Semi-finished, guys. Array, languages are raw materials. Only 10% will be there. Got it? Only 10% will be there. Remaining 90% we should develop. When it comes to technology, semi-finished, 30 to 40% they will provide, guys. Remaining everything we should develop. Okay, remaining everything we should develop. Understanding my statement? Okay. Examples of Java technologies. Java technologies. Right, guys. JDBC, JNDI, yesterday, JSP, Servlet, EasyAB, okay, EasyAB, JMS, and etc. You want full forms? I will give full forms. JDBC, no full form, ra Babu. Earlier, people used to say Java database connectivity. But nowadays, JDBC means JDBC only. I already discussed what is JNDI. Okay, Java naming and directory interface. Directory interface. Next, JSP. What is JSP? Java server pages. Okay, EasyAB. What is that? Enterprise Java. Are newcomers? Wait till the end of the session. I will share some details. Enterprise Java bits. Okay. JMS. Java Messaging Service. Java Messaging Service. Many things are given here now, boss. Come on. Right. Okay, guys. To work with JDBC. To work with JDBC, we need to arrange. What, guys? JDBC driver software. After all, JDBC driver softwares are implementation softwares or not? Are you going to work with the technology straight away? No. We are going to work with technology-based implementation softwares. Come on, guys. To work with JNDI, we need to arrange JNDI registries. JNDI registries. Examples. COS registry, RMI registry, and etc. Okay, what are the examples, Babu? Arakil thin driver. Arakil thin driver. Connector J driver. Remembered all these things in your JDBC classes? If not there, just remember, there are some software names. There are some software names, my dear. Got it? To work with servlet. To work with servlet. Okay. We'll go for technology. We'll highlight the word technology. Work with technology. We'll highlight the word. To work with servlet technology, we need to arrange servlet containers. We need to arrange servlet containers. Array boss, servlet containers. Array Tomcat, WebLogic, Glassfish, softwares provide servlet container. Softwares provide servlet container. Okay, guys. Yeah, why I'm giving this one, we never work with the technologies directly. We always work with technology-based implementation softwares. To work with JSP technology, come on, guys. JSP technology, we need to arrange. What is that? JSP container. What container? JSP container. WebLogic Glassfish software provide even JSP container. Understanding my statement, guys? Super, yes. Okay. To work with, sir, why I'm taking this much pain, only to tell that we don't work with the technologies directly. To work with the technologies, we need to arrange and work with technology-based implementation software. You want to get Java knowledge. You want to get Java knowledge. You will arrange course browser. You will arrange faculty. Faculty. Okay. Course browser is like technology. Faculty is like technology-based implementation software. Yes or no? Okay. Course browser is like JDBC technology. Faculty like JDBC driver. Course browser is like JSP technology. Faculty is like JSP container. Understood, boss? To work with EasyAB technology, we need to arrange. No examples, Babu. All these softwares provide JSP container. All these software provide servlet container. Mister, you are not in the subject, Mr. Nayak. Okay, we don't get servlet container, JSP container separately. When you arrange, okay, Tomcat, WebLogic, Glassfish kind of software, they internally provide both servlet container and JSP container. Now, we need to arrange. Okay, guys. We need to arrange EasyAB container. We need to arrange EasyAB container. Example, WebLogic Glassfish. softwares provide EAB container. EAB container. Again, I am telling Babu, JSP container examples will not be there. They will come in the form of jar file when we keep these softwares ready. Are you listening my statement, guys? Convinced or not? Servlet container, JSP container, EAB container come in the form of jar files inside these softwares. If you arrange one WebLogic software, there we have Servlet container, there we have JSP container, there we have EAB container. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay. Are you with me, guys? Are you understanding my statement? Okay. Tell me next. To work with JMS technology. What technology? JMS technology. We need to arrange MOM software. What software we need to arrange, guys? MOM software. What is MOM? Message-oriented middleware. Message-oriented middleware. Understanding? Okay. Middleware. EAB is outdated in that. JMS is doing well. JDBC doing well. J&A doing well. Servlet doing well. JSP doing well. But EAB is outdated. Message-oriented middleware. Middleware softwares. You want examples, Babu? ActiveMQ, MessageQ, okay, RabbitMQ, MessageQ. MQ means message queues. Everyone understanding? Super. Only EAB outdated. Remaining all are doing well. Only EAB is outdated. Only EAB is out. Many implementations are there. Only we are arranging them. So what is the final conclusion? Conclusion. Actually, you are supposed to learn all these things while learning JDBC. I don't know whether you studied JDBC in this angle or not. Now you observe very carefully, boss. Those who know JDBC, observe very carefully. To work with JDBC technology, are we arranging JDBC technology or are you arranging OJDBC 6.jar, OJDBC 8.jar, OJDBC 7.jar? So what that jar file contains? JDBC driver software, na? What that jar file contains? JDBC driver software, right? Right, guys. We cannot work with technologies directly in our application development. We actually arrange the technology based implementation softwares. We actually arrange the technology based implementation softwares and we use them in application development. Example, Rababu. I don't speak wrong. I will always this. You use JDBC technology in our application development. We arrange JDBC driver software in the form of OJDBC. Guys, 6.jar file. OJDBC 6.jar file. And we use that. In the application double. Okay. As a student, you want to learn Java. You will show interest of arranging Java course browser or Java faculty. Java faculty, right? Similarly, when you want to work with the technology, don't try to arrange technology. You have to arrange what? Technology-based implementation software, right, boss? You should think about arranging what? Technology-based implementation software. Everyone got the clarity, boss? Okay, guys. Now listen carefully, everyone. Once you complete Core Java, Advanced Java, you are no more science student, arts student, commerce student, non-IT student. Once you complete Core Java, Advanced Java, you are very much IT student. If you want to cheat yourself, then you try to tell the reason. I'm a commerce student, I'm an MBA student. Until you complete Core Java, little bit of Advanced Java, you can tell yourself as a non-IT student. Once you complete Core Java, Advanced Java, forget about you are a non-IT student. You should accept the fact you are also IT student. Because, okay, IT students also don't know more than that. They have a degree and a little bit of side headings. Only the difference between IT students and non-IT students, non-IT student, terminologies are very new. For IT student, terminologies are a bit old. That means IT student don't know content, they know only side headings. Non-IT student, they don't know side headings, they don't know content. I hope you are understanding my statement, guys. Okay. Alexa, activate balcony central lights.
Okay.
Alexa, activate balcony central lights.
Okay.
Wait a minute, guys. Let me switch on the lights. Right, guys? Is that clear, guys? I think you got the clarity. We don't work with the technologies directly. We work with, technologies are what? Semi-finished products. Can I say these are like, technologies are like what? Okay, like using wheat powder and rice powder, right? Wheat powder and rice powder. Array, wheat powder is nothing but what, boss? Semi-finished products, na boss? Wheat powder. Atta. Atta ra babu, atta. And rice powder. They are not raw materials. Next stage of raw material, right? Okay, rice powder. Array, to attend this course, Advanced Java is not prerequisite. If we have Advanced Java, that will be added advantage. Now listen, everyone. Everyone, please listen. I will give idea. Okay. I'll give one small example, Raval. This is what, guys? Sun Microsystem or Arkell Corporation. Sun Microsystem or Arkell Corporation. What they have given? JDBC technology. JDBC technology having JDBC API. Having JDBC API. What do you mean by API, guys? Java.SQL, Java.x means extended packages. JDBC technology having JDBC API. Java.SQL, JavaX.SQL packages. What it will give, guys? Gives rules and guidelines. Rules and guidelines to create JDBC drivers. It gives rules and guidelines. Rules means must follow. Guidelines means suggestions. Guidelines means suggestions. Understanding my statement, boss? Super, guys. Here is my what? Company 1, company 2. There are so many things about company. Company 3, companies. Right. Okay. Company 1 is what? Oracle Corporation. Company 2 is what? DevX. Company 3 is what? Enterprise DB. Any company come into picture. Now company 4 is Natras. Any company is what? Natras. Getting my point? This to this, this to this, this to this, this to this. Right, boss. Someone is asking me, sir, why are you giving in paintbrush? So that I can write text and diagrams together. That's why I use paintbrush. Okay, your blackboard or whiteboard is this paintbrush rubber. Clear, guys? Oracle Corporation takes rules and guidelines given by Sun Microsystem or Oracle Corporation. Okay, guys. Use JDBC driver software for Oracle based on JDBC technology rules and guidelines. Technology rules and guidelines. JDBC technology rules and guidelines. Okay, boss. Understanding my statement? Okay. Right. This is Oracle Corporation. Yeah. DevX company, what this will do? Use JDBC driver software for MySQL based on JDBC rules and guidelines. What is Enterprise DB company will do? Use JDBC driver software for PostgreSQL. PostgreSQL is one database software, rather. Based on rules and guidelines of what? Okay. This Natras Soft, my company, my own company, whether it is there or not there, but anyone can do that, boss. Anyone can do that one. Yes, boss. Use JDBC driver software for DB2 database software. DB2 database software based on JDBC technology rules and guidelines. Understanding my statement, guys? Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on. Sun Microsystem or Oracle Corporation, giving JDBC technology, having JDBC API. What this technology contains? Gives rules and guidelines to create JDBC driver software. Okay, these are multiple vendor companies are there in the market. They take those rules and guidelines. They develop JDBC driver software for different database software. This is how technology works. Okay, now in my company, I want to talk with MySQL database software. Do I need to arrange JDBC technology, or do I need to arrange DevX supplied JDBC driver software for MySQL? I should arrange DevX supplied what? JDBC driver software for MySQL, right? And I should start working with that so that I can talk with MySQL database software. I can do a number of operations on MySQL database software or not. And how these softwares comes, Ra Babu? These softwares will come OJDBC 6 or 7 or 8 or 9 dot jar. Even 10 is also coming nowadays. 10 dot jar. This is coming like this or not? Okay. Right. Next. This is coming as what? MySQL connector Java 8.0.2.jar. This is coming like this jar file. This is coming out. This is coming. PostgreSQL driver okay, version dot jar. Some version, that version is not fixed. Right, guys. This is purely assumption. Natrasoft is assumption, this driver is assumption. So that's why some name dot jar file. This is practically not there. Some name dot jar file. Come on, guys. Like this, lot of companies can be there. Many other companies can be there. Like, and you don't believe 100 plus companies are there giving JDBC drivers like this for different database software. 100 plus companies are there. Understanding my statement, guys? Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on. Okay. Right. So I think you got knowledge about language. You got knowledge about technology. Okay. Can I ask one question? I want to work with language. Do I need to install language or should I need to arrange something else? Do I need to arrange something else? Tell me, everyone. I need to install language. To work with Java, I am installing JDK or not? I talked about programming language, right? Dirty fellows. I didn't talk about technology. Don't confuse. Listen the question carefully. Languages are installable or not? Okay. I want to work with the servlet technology. Do I need to install servlet technology or do I need to arrange servlet technology based implementation software? Do I need to arrange servlet technology based implementation software? That is technically called as what? Servlet container, right? Okay. I want to work with JDBC. Do I need to arrange JDBC or JDBC driver software? JDBC driver software, right, boss? Okay, I want to work with the JMS. Do I need to arrange JMS or JMS based MOM software? JMS or JMS based MOM software? MOM software. What is MOM? Message oriented middleware software. Message oriented middleware software. Okay, guys. Right. Okay, still technology discussion is not completed, Ra Babu. Babu means it is my regular word, Ra Babu. Don't think much on it. Babu means calling my dear. Saying my dear in Telugu. Saying my dear in Telugu. Got it? Okay. So, like my dear son, my dear beta, my dear friend. This kind of meaning will come. Super. Okay. Right. Still technology discussions are not completed. Next class also I will talk about what technologies. Then I will go for frameworks. Once frameworks are launched, then I will introduce Spring. Is that clear? Super. Okay. Notes are okay. Initial few days notes will be given in the Facebook.